Packing list for Disney World. Almost everything here can be purchased on-site if you need it, but trying to keep budgets in mind, it's helpful if you can use this Disney packing list and bring things from home. Rain poncho. Central Florida weather is wild and it's not uncommon for a brief rainstorm to roll through and interrupt your park day. No one's ever regretted this investment when traveling to Disney. Backpacks are a must-have at Disney. If you don't like a backpack, a crossbody pack is also a good choice, not too big, not too small, lightweight wins for long park days. Portable phone chargers. You will be using your phone to navigate the parks. Phone charging cords. We like the long ones so you can put the charger in the backpack but still use the phone. Power strip and bricks for multiple devices. Small hand sanitizer and/or wipes. Water bottles to refill in the parks. Lightweight is key. Cooling towels or handheld rechargeable fan. Sunscreen. Bring mini sunscreen to reapply at the park. Aloe vera gel. Sunglasses. Your Mickey Mouse ears or other hats. Prescription medication. General first aid items in travel sizes, tissues, ibuprofen, Benadryl, Tylenol, Band-Aids, Tums, Visine, moleskin and tape for blisters are all nice to have on hand. There are first aid stations at each park and most resorts stock these items if you forget anything. Lip balm with SPF. Carabiner, attach those cute popcorn buckets to your backpack. Plastic resealable baggies, stash phones in them when going on water rides, use for unfinished snacks, keep things organized in your backpack, tons of uses. Extra shoes. You'll want to rotate shoes if you can, or at least change into recovery sandals once you return to your room. Swimsuit if you plan to use the pool, spa or water parks. They cannot be worn inside the theme parks. Towels are provided at Disney resorts. Magic bands if you have them. Toiletries, hair ties, hairbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste, etc. Resorts have H2O hair products. Gum, which is not sold at Disney World. Photo ID for all adults, passport or government-issued ID. Lanyards and pins if pin collecting is in your future. Lanyards are also useful if you do not purchase magic bands and want to have your key to the world card handy for room entry, theme park entry, Genie Plus entry. Cash, if you use bell services or want to leave a tip for your mousekeepers, having some small bills on hand will be necessary for tips. Thanks for watching. Please click the thumbs up to give us a like and subscribe to the channel.